Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add parameter to simple text query. So, we have written one query to insert the data in customized table, and in value we have given parameter which is @name. See, we have not passed actual data which is coming from txt name text box. So we are now declaring SQL parameter is equal to new SQL parameter. Now I want to give parameter name. So parameter name is equal to @name, which I have passed in query, and value to this parameter is given from the text box. So I am giving value to this parameter from txt name.text. Now create SQL command. cmd.parameters.add method is used to add the parameter to command. My parameter name is para. Now we can execute this query ordinary way. So I am opening cn.open connection and executing this query cmd.execute.nonquery. So this will add the data in the customized table. Only one field will be added. So now let's run. I am adding Vishwas to name of customer and clicking on retrieve. Vishwas is added to the database. So now let's check the database. We can see Vishwas is added to database. No other field is added. So this is the use of parameter. When parameters are same and value is coming from different source, then we can use this parameter. Thank you.